Hello, welcome to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. Today we're going to go over the file viewer in the program WHMM-SWMM. So as you can see, I have a fairly basic model here set up with a basin and a couple ponds connected to the point of compliance. I just ran this project, so the run is complete, and now I'm going to look at the file viewer so I can see the individual data sets for this project. So if we go to file viewer, as you can see, it opens up a window here. There's many files you can access. So the one I'm going to access first is WDM-HSPF, which is available here. There's sources, there's pre-developed point of compliance, as you can see there's a graph for that, and other graphs, so for the output nodes, the basin flow, etc. It's all here in the file viewer. Now for SWMM, you can see the whole SWMM 5 report here on E1G1 report. So as you can see, the whole report is right here in the file viewer. You can view all the text of that SWMM file right here. Now for the mitigated WDM-HSPF and the SWMM file, you're not going to find anything because there is no mitigated scenario in this project, so you're not going to see anything there. But for the pre-developed, you can see the WDM for both HSPF and SWMM and all the related information to that project. So if you want to see any of that information, like I said, go to the Analysis tab, File Viewer, and you can be able to find all the information on your project in this tab. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll get to it as soon as possible, and we will see you next time.